Beetle Blitz is a game to engage your grade 4 students in multiplication. In this video we're going to learn how to play the game and we're going to see some kids playing it. Pickle! I'm going to explain how Beetle Blitz works by giving 3 examples. In this first example, the left beetle has got the options of times 2 plus 1 and the right beetle times 2 minus 1. We're trying to get to 30. So the left beetle might go up by multiplying by 2, get to 16, and then think, well, I want to get close to 30, so he makes a mistake and he goes up to 32. Well, then there's no way to get back to 30. So this beetle loses. The beetle on the right chooses to go up to 32 as well, but then he has got the minus 1 option, so he can get back to 30 and wins this game. This time, both beetles are trying to get up to 40. The beetle on the right begins by getting up to 32 and then subtracting 1 until they get down to 20. And then they're going to use their times 2 to jump up to 40. That's pretty good. The beetle on the left tries to get up using a similar strategy to 32, but then they can go directly to 40 by just adding 1. So they're actually going to win this game because they've used less circles. The last example. The beetle on the left has got times 4 plus 2. The beetle on the right has got times 2 plus 1. And they're both trying to get to 100. The beetle on the left goes first. In reality, you'd probably have the kids work on these together, but I'm just showing you one beetle at a time. So here the beetle on the left has got to 64, and then it's just going to use plus 2 all the way to get to 100. It's boring, but it's effective. The beetle on the right goes times 2 until they get to 16. Then they're going to use plus 1 until they get to 25. And then they're going to use times 2 to get to 50, and then another times 2 to get to 100. The beetle on the right wins because they've used less circles. The beetle on the left isn't happy with that, so they go back and they try to figure out a better way to solve the problem. And they suddenly realize that they could add 2 and add 2 again and add 2 again until they get to 25. And then they could go directly to 100. And they win because now they've done it in less circles. So I like this back and forth and perfecting the answer. 16. There's lots of free resources for Beetle Blitz on mathpickle.com, but if you wanted to buy one of the books, there's no better way to support MathPickle than to do that. I'm going to show you the second book, and I'm going to show you the color version of it. The first book is probably best in black and white, but the second book has got a lot of color, and so you might want to splurge and get the color version. These photographs are by Udo Schmidt, a German collector, and they are beautiful. On the website you will be able to download a low-resolution version of the book, but in order to get the high-resolution version you'll have to, just because it was so big, the file, you'll have to go and get the book. So here's how it works. Again, we have the plus 9 and minus 7 as the options for this beetle, trying to get to 100. Over here we have the options for this beetle, times 7, minus 1, trying to get to 100. So this is not an ant, by the way. It looks like an ant, but it's not an ant. It's a beetle. So there you go, and enjoy Beetle Blitz. If you get to 100, you win. Woo! It's not going to be easy, guys.
Oh, this is ×5.